Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about hobbies in Finnish. In Finland, hobbies are a vital part of life, contributing to mental and physical well-being. The Finnish culture places a high value on outdoor activities, personal well-being, and spending quality time with friends and family. Engaging in hobbies also helps people cope up with long, dark winters by staying active and connected with the nature. Hobbies in Finland reflect the country's strong connection to nature, outdoor activities, and a rich cultural heritage. People in Finland enjoy a wide variety of hobbies, from sports to arts and crafts, and many hobbies are deeply connected to the seasons and environment. Let's explore some popular hobbies in Finland. Hobbies. Harrastukset. Harrastus means hobby. Harrastukset means hobbies. Lukeminen, reading. Kirjoittaminen, writing. Laulaminen, singing. Musiikin kuuntelu, listening to music. Soittaminen, playing an instrument. Piirtäminen, drawing. Maalaminen, painting. Valokuvaus, photography. Kokkaaminen, cooking. Leipominen, baking. Käsityöt, handicrafts. Neulominen, knitting. Virkkaaminen, crocheting. Urheilu, sports. Juokseminen, running. Pyöräily, cycling. Uinti, swimming. Yoga. Kalastus, fishing. Puutarhaanhoito, gardening. Retkeily, hiking. Matkustaminen, traveling. Pelaaminen, gaming. Tanssiminen, dancing. Pianon soitto, playing the piano. Kitaran soitto, playing the guitar. Laskettelu, skiing. Lumilautailu, snowboarding. Now, let's look at some of the outdoor hobbies. Ulkoilu harrastukset. Retkeily means hiking. Finland is known for its beautiful forest, lakes, and national parks, making hiking a popular activity. People often spend time walking on trails, camping, or enjoying nature. The next hobby is hiihto, means skiing. This is one of the most popular winter sports in Finland, especially in long snowy winters. Many Finns enjoy skiing in the countryside or in specialized ski resorts. Kalastus, fishing. Finland has more than 180,000 lakes, making fishing a widespread hobby. Ice fishing is also very popular during the winter months. Marjastus means berry picking. During the summer, many Finns enjoy going into the forest to pick wild berries like blueberries and lingonberries. Although I have not mentioned here, mushroom picking is also a popular hobby in Finland, especially during the fall. Telttailu, camping. Camping in the wild, often in remote areas, is a great way to experience Finland's natural beauty. The Finnish concept of every man's right allows people to camp on the public land. Now, we will talk about winter hobbies. Talvi harrastukset. Luistelu means ice skating. Whether on frozen lakes or at skating rinks, ice skating is a fun winter hobby enjoyed by many Finns. Children's love ice skating. Talvi uinti या sauna. Ice swimming and sauna. After warming up in a sauna, many Finns enjoy taking a quick dip in icy waters, a tradition known as ice swimming. Laskettelu, skiing. While cross-country skiing is popular, downhill skiing is also a favorite pastime in Finland's ski resorts, especially in Lapland. Now let's talk about indoor hobbies. Sisa Harrastukset. Lukeminen means reading. Finns are known for being good readers. Whether it's books, magazines, or newspapers, reading is a common hobby. Finland has a rich literary tradition and is home to famous authors. Kirjoittaminen means writing. Many people in Finland enjoy writing, from journaling to writing short stories or even poetry. Käsityöt means handicraft. Finns often engage in knitting, crocheting, and other handicrafts. Pelaaminen means gaming. Video games have grown in popularity in Finland, and the country is home to many successful game developers, including the creators of Angry Birds and Clash of Clans. Now let's talk about social hobbies. Sosiaali harrastukset. Urheiluseurat, sports clubs. Joining sports teams or clubs is a common way to stay active and socialize. This can include team sports like soccer, ice hockey, or basketball. Pelikortit ja lautapelit. Pelikortit means cards and lautapelit means board games. Many Finns enjoy playing board games with friends and family, and there is a strong tradition of playing cards in the Finnish culture. Now let's see how to ask someone about their hobbies. Mitä harrastat? What is your hobby? Harrastan jalkapalloa. My hobby is football. Or you can say harrastan maalamista. Means I love to do painting. Onko sinulla harrastus? Do you have any hobby? Kyllä, pidän maalamisesta. Yes, I like painting. Or you can say, Yo, pidän leipomisesta. Yes, I like baking. If you're enjoying this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.